Hey, well, hello to everyone out there in YouTube land. I hope that everybody is doing well. I am doing fine. Thank you so much for asking. I just wanted to come with a quick video just to encourage us to be careful not to waste your food. But I also wanted to come, I know I've shown this before, but it's not like everybody's watched my videos before. But this is actually the jerk seasoning that we use. And we've been using this since the mid 90s. And I think Grace does have one that's like this, and I'm sure we've used that one before too. But normally, well, not normally. This is the one that we have bought since, like I said, the mid 90s, and this is the Walker's Wood. I'm not sponsored, but I love this jerk seasoning, and it comes in mild and hot. And we normally get the hot, but if they don't have the hot, of course you just got to get what you get because it's so flavorful and so good. I'd never ever make my I may have maybe once or twice, but I really never make any jerk seasoning, because why not? It's in this jar and we love this. It's good when on a barbecue, when I say barbecue, on the grill, on chicken, shrimp, pork, anything. Have I done it on beef? You know what? I don't think I've done beef. But I guess I will very soon though. But I just finished this off. It was just a bit in here. I don't know if there's any more in the pantry, because I normally like to keep a couple of these on hand. But yeah, it was just a bit in here. Well, I had some pork chops, some pork loins or whatever, pork loins or pork steaks, whatever. And I put them on that. And they're in the refrigerator marinating. And I just normally marinate them 24 hours. So tomorrow I'll get them out and put them in the oven and cook them for a little bit. But yeah, this is my the jerk seasoning that we use. I know some people, they like the dry rub, and I do have some dry rubs, but I don't use them. I bought them, but I don't use them. But I will, prayerfully, in this upcoming year or whatever. So anyway, just wanted to show you that. And what I was saying, don't waste. I had really forgot I had some broccoli. I purchased some broccoli as well as a cauliflower mix, because I like to eat that with my hummus or something like that. And I love broccoli anyway. And I was thinking, I said, oh, maybe I can do a beef and broccoli deal. But I was like, no, not right now. So I said, oh, you know what? Because I love jardinera, anyway, however you pronounce it. The fermented, those pickled vegetables would be celery, peppers, cauliflower, carrot, all kinds of little vegetables and stuff like that. So I love that, but I haven't had it in a while. But I do pickle my vegetables anyway. I do love a good pickled vegetable. So in here, I just have some cauliflower florets and carrots. Like I said, had a broccoli and cauliflower floret. Bought it in prepackaged like that, fresh. But yeah, so I said, oh, you know what? Let me pickle these, because I had these. We've been eating a lot of what do you call it? A lot of tacos. We've been eating a lot of tacos lately, and normally I do make my own jalapeno slices, but like I told you, everybody, everybody doesn't do the same thing here, of course, and they will buy stuff, which is okay. I mean, just everybody's preference or whatever. And normally, sometimes they'll even get them in a can, which it's like, are those gonna taste great? But nonetheless, these were so good. I don't know why, but the spicy one was okay, but this one, oh my goodness, the taste of it was so, that brine, I don't know what they did to it, but it was so delicious. I said, you know what, today I'm going to make this, and I'm going to use the brine. You don't have to do any, because, of course we can make our own brine. I always make a brine. Matter of fact, I always keep a brine in the refrigerator that I've made. But I said, you know what, I want to taste this in here. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to put a tiny bit of salt in here. I have the brine already going in this saucepan, and I picked out one of my peppers that I grew, and I think it's a Sugar Rush peach. So I'm going to put that down in here. I have my fermentation weight, and I have a lid and a band. Now, normally I don't use a lid and a band. I'll use plastic because it's going to rust. I don't want them to rust and have all that discoloration and something winding up on my food or whatever. So I don't. But I suspect this will be gone very soon. It's just a pint jar. So I'm just going to put a little salt on here. And this is just a Mexican kosher salt. Just a bit, because I'm sure there's, lots of salt already in here. Jalapeno peppers, water, vinegar, salt, onion, calcium chloride, and turmeric color. So I'm just going to put a wee bit of salt, and see if I can shove this down in here. I hate to use words like that, but either if I don't get it down here, I'll just sit it on top. Give me a minute here. Okay, I put it like that. And normally I would put bay leaves, peppercorns, all of that in here, but I'm just looking for this, and it's just a quick what's-my-jiggum. So I'm just going to cut this off. I've let it warm up, and if it's not enough, I do have a little bit more, or I'll just do something else, get another what's-my-jiggum, and I'm just reusing something that was already. Oh shoot, I hate how cold this is. Give me a minute here. I just tempered the jar a wee bit. It felt so kind of cold. This is not going to be enough. I'm going to have to, no, it's not going to be enough. But I'm going to pour that in there. Be sure I get it over that salt and everything. So, yeah, I didn't think so. I started to put the other in there, but I hate having so much left over. Give me a second here. Yeah, so I don't really have any preference for brands. I don't have a preference for brands, but there are a lot of them that I don't like. And I never even thought that I even would like this one, but ooh, they changed my mind. I don't know what they did, but they did a good job right now, because these things were so delicious. The brine was perfect. I mean, perfect for my taste buds anyway. Okay, so this has come to a boil and has spoiled my stainless steel, but it's okay. So let's get this poured in here. I can tell it's gonna be too much, but I really wanted the seasonings that are in here though. Oh, okay, they're coming in too good. I'm just gonna poke that around a little bit and make sure that everything goes down. Just wanna give it a couple of pokes and move around. Be sure that all the air pockets are filled up with the goodness. Oh, I hope this turns out so good as I'm imagining it. So anyway, I just want to encourage us, when you have brine, especially one you made, you bought something, even old pickle juice, when you have a pickle juice and stuff like that, just don't throw it away. You can put pickles in there and make yourself a quick pickle. Some people, well, not some people, well, some people even, of course, I haven't made potato salad and stuff like that in a long time. But people use, of course, the juice of those things and whatnot in their what's-my-jiggums. So anyway, it looks nice and pretty already, and let me smell it. Smells nice, looks nice. So anyway, just encouraging you to, don't waste your brines and stuff like that. They are all reusable, especially if you found a really delicious one. use it and make you a quick pickle. Use cucumbers, use various vegetables and or fruit that is, that will stay together or whatever and not mush. But anyway, let me get back to this so that it can stay hot and cook a little bit before I put it in the refrigerator. Thanks for watching. Love you so much. Bye bye for now.